Good morning, everyone. So for today's DIY project, we're gonna be doing a simple shower head replacement. So it's just a very simple thing to do. No need to call for a professional plumber to do this one. So we'll just make it easy. So let's get it on. So this will be the shower head that we'll be replacing. As you can see, it's the first time that I've seen a shower head with a all-around bandage. Quite an amazing shower head. So this was probably worked on by my son. So he was trying to make a simple fix for this shower head. So this one's rather old. So we'll be replacing this one today. So the first thing to do is to remove the old shower head. I'm going to be using a simple tool like this for plumbing. It got broke. Just made out of plastic. So as you can see here, the plastic pipe got broke, and I think it need quite some time to remove this one. I'll have to check with my other tools on how to remove this. Okay, we'll get back later. Okay, so since this was made out of plastic, so I was able to remove the remaining plastic thread that was in this wall. So time to install the new one. If you like videos like this, kindly hit that subscribe button below and follow my channel. So we will be replacing the shower head with this one. So it's just a simple shower head with a single spray action, which is just downward. So this is just a cheap one which we bought from the hardware store. So this is the one. I think this one is made out of plastic. So also it has a built-in filter. So this one, screen filter, so that solids cannot get into the shower head. So it's made of plastic, and it has also this one, stainless steel angle pipe, which will be replacing also on the wall. Okay. So as you can see, this one is an angle stainless steel tube. One is shorter, the other one is longer. So it's up to you. So maybe you can place the shorter one on the wall. First, we need to put the Teflon tape, or they say as the plumber's tape, so that you can avoid leaking on the wall. It's very important to look for the leak so that it won't penetrate behind the tiles, just in case there's a leak in your wall pipe. So So maybe you can roll around 12 times before installing it. Yep. You don't have to force it so that it won't break. Okay. Okay, this one's okay. Then we try to install this wall cover of the fitting. Just to nicely cover around the pipe. So we just remove the plastic cover. Okay, so it's nice and clean. So before installing this one to the pipe, you need to install also to put Teflon tape or the plumber's tape, also to avoid leaking. So at least you need to put around 10 rolls or 10 cycles. So this time you need to be careful since this one is just made out of plastic. So not too tight. Hand tight will do. Just check if there are leaks. Okay. So finally we have already installed this one. Oh. The shower head is made out of plastic, also plastic. Only this pipe is a stainless steel or steel plated pipe. So this one is the wall covering. So this one is movable also. So time to test. Okay, so far after the installation, there are no leaks. You can see here, there are no leaks. So hopefully this one would last for a long while, a long time, long while. Okay. So if you like videos like this, please put a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Good day, everyone. So today for another DIY at home, we're gonna be replacing just a simple one, just a shower head. So let me take you to this one.